Hi, I'm Michelle, and today I'm going to take you through some really nice, gentle exercises for improving neck pain. Now these are really control exercises. They're not intense strength exercises, so if you're looking for intense neck strengthening exercises, this isn't the video for you. Now the muscles that we're going to be using are called the deep neck flexors, and these are muscles that are located deep inside the neck. With neck pain, people often tend to use these outer muscles rather than the deep inner neck muscles. Now the deep neck flexors are located deep either side of the windpipe, and they're attached deep in close to the spine. So you can't see them from the outside, but you can see the ones that you shouldn't be using, which are these strong ones through here and just behind. Find a towel, something to position behind your head that it's about 1 inch thickness. So lying down, so move my ponytail out of the way. It needs to go behind my head and not my neck. There needs to be that space between your neck and the surface. So if you're in a soft bed or a soft lounge, this isn't going to work for you. You need to be on a firm surface. Bend your feet up, so bend your knees up so that your feet are flat and that you're comfortable positioned, you can look straight up. What I want you to do at home is to move as if you're going to lift your head off the surface, and you'll feel these neck muscles. Can you see those strong neck muscles contracting there? That's exactly what we don't want in this exercise. So you can use your hands here and you can feel those muscles work, or you could use your phone. I've got my phone here and you could use it in selfie mode and just see that those neck muscles aren't actually working while you do these exercises. Now, the correct way to do these exercises is with a nod of the head. So what you'll be doing is you'll be nodding your head and moving it forward in a downward motion and coming back without using the outer muscles. So I'm going to do some demonstration of that and talk you through it at home. Now here's the correct technique. Relax your jaw with your lips together, your teeth apart and unclenched, and gently place the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Your jaw should feel relaxed. Now nod your chin towards your chest without contracting through the front of your neck, and then smoothly release. Breathe normally through this exercise, then have a brief rest before your next exercise. Let's repeat that again. Nod your chin without lifting your head. Keep your front of your neck relaxed and then slowly release. Rest again and one more time. This time we're going to maintain the nodded position. So let's repeat that. Nodding your chin without lifting your head, and keep your head nodded or your chin nodded towards your chest. Keep the front of your neck relaxed and keep breathing normally, and slowly release. And take a 5 to 10 second break. And now back to you, Michelle. So how many of these exercises do you need to do? Well, obviously you start focusing on quality rather than quantity. So start with just a couple of the exercises if that's what you can do, and increase the number of exercises, increasing up to 10-second holds if you can do that. Now, if you can do 5 to 8 repetitions of those in a row, you're doing really well, and it would be great if you could do those 3 times throughout the day. Once you're really good at doing them lying down, you can also progress these exercises to doing them in sitting and standing, and notice that you can tuck your chin forward without using the front of your neck, so that you'll know that you're doing the exercises correctly when you can tuck the chin forward, nod the head and back, and not use the front of your neck. So I really hope these exercises today help you manage your neck pain better and return to your regular activities. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.